What's up, guys? Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, how to earn great money online. Now, I've been doing this channel for a while now, and if you're new to the channel, it's all about different ways to make money online. Whether it be work from home jobs, home business opportunities, anything related to making money online, right? But when it comes to how to earn great money online, which usually means full-time income or life-changing money, here is my opinion. All right, when it comes to making money online, you need multiple streams of income. All right. Now, if you've been following my channel, you should know that I have multiple streams of income. I do Kindle book publishing, I do affiliate marketing, and I do product creations. I even have some offline clients that I deal with, which even if they're offline, I do online work for them. So I'm pretty versified, if that's a word, when it comes to making money online. Is that a word? Versified? Versatile. I don't know. Anyway, so I realized like the beauty about having multiple streams of income. One, obviously the money adds up, but two, when you have multiple streams, say you're having a bad week or a bad month with one of your streams of income, it really doesn't matter because you have 2 or 3 other streams that are coming in until your other stream can get back up and start making the money that you want it to, right? If you think about like a traditional job, your traditional 9 to 5, usually you have 1, maybe 2 different streams of income, but mainly 1, because your job is to do whatever your job is. Okay, now maybe they might have a promotion or something, or you can switch departments or something like that, but whatever. That's the beauty of the internet. Like, really, like, you can be a full-blown Kindle publisher, right? And that's great, and there's different ways that you can turn that into multiple streams of income, all right? And you can watch other videos about, how to do that. But, you can have that going on for you, right? So you'll be able to get up and check your Kindle sales, right? If you're good at promoting and you want to jump into affiliate marketing, you can do so, and it doesn't have to be connected to your Kindle book business that you got going on. All right, so you can and you don't have to be in the same niche. You can be a dog lover, and you can be an affiliate of different dog products or dog training products or whatever. You could even create your own products in a whole another niche, right? Say you like to build drones or something like that. You can create your own course on that and put it and sell it yourself, or you can put it on different websites to sell, right? So it's really the internet allows people to create multiple streams of income, and that's what I recommend. And if you look at some of the most successful online entrepreneurs, if you really do some digging, you'll realize that they have multiple streams of income. Whether you realize it or not, they usually have several things going on. So if something doesn't work out or falls off, they're good because they have other things going on. All right, so that's my take on how to earn some good money online. It's very possible, but you just gotta commit to it, put that work in, and just try different things. Now, one thing I always talk about in past videos, and I'm sure in future videos, is don't do that brain overload thing. Don't try to do too much stuff, right? If you're new to make money online, find one thing. Experiment around with some different things, some different courses. I always recommend different stuff. Experiment around, but once you find something that interests you, you don't mind doing, and that you start to see a little bit of money from, stick with that, and then you can add something else to it, or you can do a spin-off of that first money making method that you enjoy, and just turn it into more money. Very, very possible. So if you want to know how to get that, you know, that big money online, create multiple streams of income. Hopefully this video helped you out. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. Comment, share, and if you haven't done it yet, be sure to subscribe. I don't know if I already said that, but if I did, you heard it twice. All right, till the next time. Peace.
Hey, thanks for watching this video, but I want to know, how successful do you want to be online? What if you can earn a full-time income teaching others stuff that you already know? Want to learn how to do it? Click the link in the description.